Okay, we are going to solve some question to get more grip on the topic. Requirement is calculate the probability of each of the following. A part is a six-sided die is rolled. Find the probability of getting an even number. So beta, in total there are three favorable outcomes on a fair die that is having even numbers, that is 2, 4 and 6. So favorable outcomes over total outcomes, and after cancellation you will get an answer of 1 by 2. In B part, there are 4 red balls and 6 green balls. In a bag, a ball is drawn at random from the bag. Find the probability of getting a red ball. So in total, favorable outcomes are 4 and total outcomes are 10 in the bag. And after solving, you will get an answer of 2 by 5. C part is a survey was carried out on a group of 200 senior citizens. 40 of them are women. It means 160 will be men. Find the probability that the one person chosen at random will be men. So 160 favorable outcomes are there, which are men, and total outcomes are 200. So after solving it, you will get an answer of 4 fours are 4 fives are, so answer is 4 by 5. Next question is a sample space is given. If an element is selected at random from A, find the probability that it is odd. So in total, 1, 2 and 3 numbers which are odd in the sample space. So 3 favorable outcomes are there, and in total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 total outcomes are there. After cancellation, you will get an answer of 1 by 2. E part is a six-sided die is rolled. Find the probability of getting a number less than 7. So beta, on a six-sided die, all numbers are less than 7. So favorable outcomes are 6 and total outcomes are also 6. So 6 ones are 6. 1 will be the answer. Find the probability of choosing a number from 1 to 10 that is a multiple of 3. So favorable outcomes in these numbers will be 3, 6 and 9, because all 3 numbers are multiple of 3. So favorable outcomes are 3, and in total there are 10 outcomes. So this is the answer. G part is find the probability of getting a number more than 6 on rolling a six-sided die. So beta, on a six-sided die, numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. More than 6 number is not there. So favorable outcomes are 0 and total outcomes are 6. So 0 is the answer. Find the probability of getting neither a head nor a tail when a coin is tossed. So beta, when a coin is tossed, definitely a head will be there or a tail will be there. Neither a head nor a tail, like 0 favorable outcomes and total outcomes are 2. So it means 0 is the answer. A letter is chosen from the word mathematics. Find the probability that letter chosen is a vowel. So vowel, you know, A, E, I, O, U. So favorable outcomes are A, E, A, I. So 4 favorable outcomes are there. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 total outcomes. So this is the answer. Next, J part is a bag containing 4 counters. So total 4 counters are there. 1 marked with letter E, 1 with the letter B, and 2 with the letter R. A counter is drawn at random from the bag. Find the probability of getting the letter R. So it means there are 2 favorable outcomes, because 2 counter will have the letter R, and total outcomes are 4, and after cancellation you will get an answer of 1 by 2. K part is on any trip to the market, the probability that Agnes will buy a chicken is 1 by 6. Find the probability that the Agnes will not buy a chicken on the one particular trip to the market. So buying a chicken will be 1 by 6. So not buying will be 1 minus 1 by 6. and after solving you will get an answer of 5 by 6. L part is the probability that a vending machine will accept a particular $1 coin is 0.8. Find the probability that the machine will not accept. So will not accept will be 1 minus accepting probability, that is 0.8. And after solving you will get an answer of 0.2. So this is the answer. Question number 4. A fair die is rolled. So the sample space for a fair die will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the sample space. Now requirement is find the probability of getting a 2. So A part is probability 2. So there is one favorable outcome. So 1 will be in numerator and total outcomes are 6. So 1 by 6 is the answer. B part is an odd number. Beta, there are 3 odd numbers, 1, 3 and 5. So probability of odd number. 3 favorable outcomes are there, 6 total outcomes are there. So 3 by 6, after solving you will get an answer of 1 by 2. C part is a prime number. Probability of prime number. There are 2 and 5. 2, 3 and 5. So 3 prime numbers are there in this sample space. So 3 will be put in numerator, favorable outcomes over total outcomes. So after solving you will get an answer of 1 by 2. Okay, next part is D. Probability of multiple of 2. Multiple of 2. So there are 2, 4 and 6 are numbers which are multiple of 2. So there are 3 favorable outcomes and total outcomes are 6. After cancellation, you will get an answer of 1 by 2. E part a factor of 6. So 1, 2, 3 and 6 itself are the factors of 6. So there are 4 favorable outcomes. So 4 by 6, 2 2s are, 2 3s are, so 2 by 3 is the answer. Last part, F part is a natural number. Probability of natural number. So all numbers are natural. So it means 6 favorable outcomes. So 6 total outcomes. So 6 1 by 6, 6 ones are 6. 1 will be the probability of F part. Question number 5. A fair die is rolled. Find the probability of getting. First, we will draw the sample space. For this question will be fair die 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the sample space of the question. A part is find the probability of getting a 3. A 3. So there is only one favorable outcome. So 1 by 6 is the answer. B part is an even number. So beta, in total there are, this is even number, this is even number and this is even number. So 3 favorable outcomes are there and total outcomes are 6. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. 1 by 2 is the answer of this part. So C part is a number greater than 4. So 2 favorable outcomes are there which are greater than 4. So probability of greater than 4. So 2 favorable outcomes are there and total 6 outcomes. So 1, 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. So 1 by 3 is the answer. D part is either a 2 or a 6. Probability of either 2 or 6. This is D part. So either 2 or 6. This is 2, this is 6. So there are 2 favorable outcomes and total outcomes are 6. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 threes are 6. So 1 by 3 is the answer. And last part is E part, a perfect square. Perfect square. So 1 is a perfect square, 1 is a square of 1, 4 is a square of 2. So there are two favorable outcomes. So 2 over 6, and after cancellation you will get an answer of 1 by 3. Question number 6. An experiment consists of selecting the last digit of a telephone number. So beta, on the dialing pad of a phone you have these options: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So definitely the last digit will be one of them. Okay. A part lists the sample space. So this is the A part. B part is, first part is less than 4. So B's first part, less than 4, there are 1, 2, 3, and 4 favorable outcomes, and in total there are 10 numbers. So 4 by 10, 2 twos are, 2 fives are. So 2 by 5 is the answer. Second part is odd number. So probability of odd number. So in total there is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 favorable outcomes, and total 10 numbers are there. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 1 by 2 is the answer. Last part is not 8. So if not 8, so it means 9 numbers will favor the event, and total 10 numbers are there. So this is the answer of the third part. Question number 8. A bag contains 10 cards as shown below. A card is drawn at random from the box. Find the probability that the number on the card drawn is an 8. So A part is probability of an 8. This card is favorable. 1, 2, and 3 cards are favorable. So 3 will be put in numerator, and in total there are 10. So 3 by 10 is the probability. B part is greater than 5. Probability of greater than 5. So greater than 5, 1 card is favorable. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cards are favorable, and total are 10. So this is the probability of B part. C part is an odd number. So odd numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 favorable outcomes are there, and in total there are 10 outcomes. So 2 threes are, 2 fives are, 3 by 5 is the answer. D part is less than 5. Probability of less than 5. So less than 5 is 1 favorable, and only 1 is favorable. So 1 by 10 is the answer. And last E part is probability of positive integer. Positive integer. And all are positive integers. So 10 is favorable and 10 is total. So 10 ones are 10. So 1 is the answer. Question number 9 is, each of the letters of the word probability is written on a card. The cards are then shuffled and placed in a box. A card is then drawn at random from the box. Find the probability that the letter on the card drawn is a B. So probability of a B. A part. So there are 1 and 2 favorable outcomes. And total outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 outcomes are there. So 2 by 11 is the answer. B part is a P. So again, look at the word 1. 1 is favorable and total 11. So 1 by 11 is the answer. C part of vowel. Vowel, you know, A, E, I, O, U are vowels. So this is favorable. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 are favorable and total are 11. So this is the answer. And D part is a consonant. You know, beta, all the letters other than vowels are consonants. So in total, if there are 4 vowels, so definitely there will be 7 consonants, and in total there are 11 letters. So this is the answer. Question number 11. A bag contains 4 gold, 8 silver and 6 bronze metal. A medal is selected at random from the bag. Find the probability that the medal selected is a gold. So probability of gold will be equal to 4 by, and total are 12 and 6, 18. So 4 by 18, and after cancellation 2 by 9 will be the answer. B part is not a gold. So if you are going to find the probability of not a gold, just subtract this value from 1. So 1 minus 2 by 9 will be equal to 7 by 9 will be the probability of not a gold. So next part is probability of either silver or bronze. So silver are 8 and bronze are 6. So in total 14 is favorable outcomes. And total there are 18 outcomes. So after solving 2 7s are 2 9s are, so 7 by 9 is the answer. Last part is find the probability of either gold, silver or bronze. It means all will be involved now. So gold, silver and bronze. So total 18 is the favorable outcome and 18 is the total outcome. So 18 ones are 18. So 1 is the answer. Question number 14. According to the weather report, there is a 20% chance that it will rain tomorrow. Find the probability that it will not rain. So probability of not rain will be equal to 1 minus probability of rain. And putting values in the formula will be 1 minus 20%. 20% is 0.20. So answer is 0.80. B part is there are 49 marbles in a can. Given that the probability of drawing a green marble from the can is 5 by 7, calculate the number of the marbles in the can that is not green. So probability of not green is equal to 1 minus probability of green. So 1 minus probability of green is given, that is 5 by 7. And after solving, you will get the answer 2 by 7. B part is a manufacturer makes switches for the electric circuit. The probability that the switch is faulty is 0.05. Lim buys 200 of these switches. How many of these switches can be expected to faulty? So number of faulty switches will be equal to 0.05 multiplied by 200. So point will be removed, 1 and 0. So 100 twos are and 2 5s are 10. So there will be 10 expected faulty switches. E part is a manufacturer produces microchips. In a sample of 100 microchips, it is found that 8 of these microchips are faulty. Find the probability that the microchips chosen at random from this sample is not faulty. So probability of not faulty. So if there are 8 faulty, it means there will be 92 not faulty. In total, there is 100. So after solving it, 2 fours are, 2 six are, 2 50s are, and then 2 twos are, 2 threes are, 2 25s are. So 23 by 25 is the answer. Question number 15 statement is two fair coins are tossed together. Find the probability of getting. So first we will draw the sample space. Sample space will be head head, head tail, tail head, and tail tail. So this is the sample space. Now probability of exactly one tail. One tail. So exactly one tail is two favorable outcomes are there and four total outcomes are there. So 1 by 2 is the answer. This is A part. Now the B part. Probability of at least one tail. At least one tail. At least one tail. So this and this three favorable outcomes are there, and in total there are four outcomes. So this is the answer of B part. And C part is at most one tail. At most one tail. So the probability of at most one tail will be this is favorable, this is favorable, and this is favorable. So three are favorable and total are four. So this is the answer. Question number 16, three fair coins are tossed together. Find the probability of getting. Okay, first we will draw the sample space. So three coins are tossed. This is first, this is second, and this is third. So first coin is having head or tail. The second will have from tail there will be two options, head or tail, and from head there will also be two options, head or tail. From here and there will also be two options, this is head or tail. From here there will be two options, head or tail. There will also be two options, head or tail, and there will also be two options, head or tail. So in total this is called tail head head. From here tail head tail. From here tail tail head. From here tail tail tail. From here head head head. From here head head tail. From here head tail head. Head tail head, and the last option is head tail tail. So these are possible outcomes. So from here we can solve now three heads. This is the probability of A part. Now this is A part, probability of three heads. So we have only one favorable outcome. So 1 by, and in total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 outcomes are there. So 1 by 8 will be the answer. B part is two head and one tail. Probability of two head, one tail. So two head and one tail this, then two head, one tail, two head, one tail. So 3 favorable outcomes and total outcomes are 8. So this is the answer. And C part is at least 2 heads. At least 2 heads. So at least 2 heads. So this is favorable, then this is favorable. 2, 3, 4. 4 are favorable and total are 8. So 1 by 2 is the answer. Question number 19. The diagram shows a spinner with 8 equal sectors. The pointer is spun. Find the probability that it will stop at a sector containing a 5. So A part, probability of 5. So there is only one favorable outcome, and in total there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 outcomes are total. So this is the answer of A part. Now B part, a 9. So there is no 9. So favorable outcomes are 0 and favorable total are 8. So 0 is the answer. C part, an odd number. Odd numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4. Odd numbers are there. So 4 by 8, answer will be 1 by 2. Next, D part. D part is either 2 or a 7. 2 or 7. So there is 1 2 and 1 7. So there are two favorable outcomes. So 2 over 8. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. So 1 by 4 is the answer. Next, probability of E part, a multiple of 3. Multiple of 3. So there are 1 favorable, 2 favorable, 2 favorable, and total are 8. After cancellation, 1 by 4 is the answer. F part, a factor of 35. Factor of 35. So 1 is the factor of 35, 7 is also the factor of the 35, 5 is the factor of the 35. So 3 favorable outcomes are there. So 3 by 8 is the answer. G part, probability of prime number. And prime numbers are 7, 1 favorable, 2 favorable, 3 and 4 numbers are favorable. So 4 by 8, 1 by 2 is the answer. H part, probability of composite number. Composite numbers are 4, 6, 2 favorable, then 8, 3 favorable. So 3 by 8. And last is I. Probability of neither prime nor composite. Neither prime nor composite. So neither prime nor composite is 1 favorable and only 1 is favorable. So 1 by 8 is the answer. Question number 22. There are 500 students in a school. Each of them bought one ticket for the school anniversary prize draw. The 500 tickets numbered 1 to 500 will be put into a barrel and the winning ticket drawn. A part, Mark has the ticket number 288. What is the probability that he will win the prize? So beta, there will only be one ticket having number 288. So probability of Mark winning will be definitely 1 by 500. In B part, find the probability that the winning ticket numbered will be greater than 325. So probability of numbered greater than 325. So definitely greater than 325, there will be 175 numbers because total are 500 numbers. So 175 over 500, and after cancellation 5 threes are 15, 5 fives are, so 5 ones are 0 0, and 5 sevens are, 5 twos are, and 0, so 7 by 20 is the answer. C part, Esther says that either a girl or boy will win the prize. So the probability that a girl will win the prize is 1 by 2. Is she correct? So beta, no. Because we do not know the number of the boys and girls in the question, so no is the answer. We don't know. The number of girls. The statement of question number 23 is a letter is selected at random from the set of the alphabets. Let E be the event that the letter selected can be found in the word. List the sample space. Okay, the sample space will be set of the alphabet. So A, B, C, D up to Z. And in total, there are 26 alphabets in English letters. Okay, this is the sample space of the question. B part is find the probability of E. Now you are going to find these letters out of the total alphabet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 letters are favoring E. So probability of E will be 6 by 26. And 2 threes are, 2 13s are. So 3 by 13 is the answer. And C part is, B's second part is find the probability of not E. So probability of not E can be find out by subtracting probability of E from 1, and 1 minus 3 by 13 will be equal to 10 by 13. Number 24, Sandra chose a month of the year at random. A part, write down the sample space. So the sample space will be January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. So this is the sample space. Now the B part requirement is let A be the event that the name of the month began with the letter M. Express A using the listing method, hence find probability of A. First requirement is listing. So A is the event and the month starting with M. So M's month are March, May, so these are the favorable outcomes, and then probability of A will be 2 by 12, and after cancellation this will be 1 by 6. Now C's requirement is let B be the event that the name of the month begins with the letter A or J. Express B using the listing method. So first we have again to list. Requirement is A or J. So J is January, then April, then June, July, August. So these are favorable. This is the listing, and now the probability of B will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by 12 is the answer. Now the D part. Let's see be the event that the name of the month contains the letter R. Okay, contains the letter R. Express C using the listing method. Again, first we have to list. Contains the letter R. Okay, January definitely contains R. February, March, January, February, March, April. May will not have. Then January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. So these are the months which are containing the letter R. So now the probability of C will be favorable are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 8 are favorable. Total are 12. So 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. So 2 by 3 is the answer. Statement of the question number 27 is tickets are numbered 1 to 50, then they are shuffled and placed into a bag. A ticket is then drawn at random from the bag. Find the probability that the ticket drawn is an even number. First, the sample space will be from 1 to 50. So this is the sample space. Now the A part is find the even numbers, probability of even numbers. Definitely in this set there will be 25 odd numbers and 25 even numbers. So 25 is the favorable, total is 50. So after cancellation you will get an answer of 1 by 2. B part is a multiple of 7. Multiple of 7. So definitely multiple of 7 will be 7 2s are 14, 21, 35, and 42 and 49. So these are the favorable for multiple of 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers are favorable and total are 50. And after cancellation you will get answer of 3 by 25. C part is a number less than 33. This is C part, less than 33. So definitely less than 33 there will be 32 numbers, and in total we have 50. So 3 ones are 3 6 are sorry, 2 ones are 2 6 are, and 2 25s are. So 16 by 25 is the answer. D part is a perfect cube. A cube. So the cubes which are in the sample space are 1, then 8, and then 49. So these three numbers are in the sample space which are perfect cube, because 1 is the cube of the 1, 8 is the cube of the 2, and 49 is the cube of the 3 threes are 9, 9 threes are 27, is there. So these are three numbers. So 3 favorable over 50 total. So this is the answer. And last part is not a perfect cube. So if there are three numbers which are cubes, so definitely there will be 47 numbers which are not perfect cube. So not cube. Definitely there will be 47 numbers. So in total we have 50. So this is the answer. The statement of question number 30, there are 4 cards in a box numbered 1, 2, 3, and 4. 2 cards are drawn at random from the box to form a 2-digit number. Find the probability that the number formed is. First, we have to draw the sample space because 2 cards are drawn, so one will be 1 and second may be any 3 of the other cards. So 1, 2, 1, 3 and 1, 4 may be the numbers. Next, if we first choose 2, so the cards will be 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 4. First, if we choose 3, so cards will be 3, 1, 3, 2 and 3, 4. And first, if we choose 4, the 2-digit number may be 4, 1, 4, 2 and 4, 3. So this is the sample space. Now the A part is probability of less than 20. So less than 20, 3 numbers are favorable, and in total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 numbers are total. So 1 by 4 is the answer. B part is greater than 30. So greater than 30, favorable are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 are favorable and total 12. So 1 by 2 is the answer. C part is a multiple of 12. Multiple of 12. So multiple of 12 favorable is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are favorable and total are 12. So 1 by 3 is the answer. Next, D part, a prime number. Prime numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 are favorable, total are 12. So this is answer. And E part is probability of not prime. This is very easy in a sense. Just subtract the probability of prime from 1. So 1 minus 5 by 12, and this will be equal to 7 by 12. So this is the answer. Question number 32. A card is drawn at random from a deck of the 52 playing cards. Find the probability that the card drawn is an ace. So beta, there are 4 aces in a pack of 52 playing cards. So 4 by 52, and after cancellation 2 twos are 2 twos are 2 6 are, and 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 threes are. So 1 by 13 is the answer. B part is an ace of clubs. Definitely in clubs there will be only one ace. So probability of ace of clubs 1 by 13. C part, a spade. So spade, there are 4 suits and in a pack of 52 playing cards, and spade is 1 suit, so there will be 13 spades and total of 52. So after cancellation you will get an answer of 1 by 4. D part is a picture card. You know, Jack, Queen, and King are picture cards. So in every suit, there are four suits: diamond, heart, spade, and clubs. So in every suit, there are three picture cards, and in total, there are 12 picture cards in a pack of 52 playing cards. So after cancellation, four threes are, four ones are, four threes are. So 3 by 13 is the answer. And E part, not a picture card. So probability of not picture. Just subtract picture card from 1. You will get the answer of not picture card. So that will be 10 by 13. Question number 33 statement is a card is drawn at random from a deck of 52 playing cards. Find the probability that the card drawn is a red card. You know, diamond and hearts are red cards. So the probability of red card will be, each of the suit is having 13 cards, so in total there will be 26 red cards and total is 52. So 26 ones are, 26 twos are. So 1 by 2 is the answer. B part is a 3. There are 4 suits in a pack of the 52 playing cards, and every suit is having a card 3, number 3. So in total there will be 4 3 cards and total is 52. And after cancellation, 4 ones are, 4 threes are. So 1 by 13 is the answer. C part, either 7 or 9. So there are 4 number 7 cards, and at the same time 4 number 9 cards will be there in the 52 playing cards. So favorable outcomes will be 8. Total outcomes are 52. And after cancellation, 4 twos are, 4 ones are, 4 threes are. 2 by 13 is the answer. D part, a king. Every suit has one king, so in total there will be 4 kings in the pack and 52 uh, total outcomes. So after cancellation, you will get 1 by 13 answer. E part, not a queen. In total, there are 4 queens, so it means 48 cards will not be queen, and total outcome are 52. After cancellation, 4 ones are, 4 twos are, and 4 ones are, 4 threes are. 12 by 13 is the answer. And F part, either picture card or a diamond, picture or diamond. In total, there are 12 picture cards, and after getting 3 picture cards from the diamond cards will be 10. So in total 22 cards are favoring us. So favorable outcomes are 22 and total outcomes are 52. So cancellation, 2 twos are, 2 6 are, 11 by 26 is the answer. Number 37 statement is, but before reading this statement, this is a circle which is having angles. So remember one thing, the angles of the sector will be taken as the favorable outcomes, and the total angle of the circle, that is 360, will be taken as the total outcome. So now we are going to read this statement. The diagram shows a circle divided into sectors with different colors. A point is selected at random inside the circle. Find the probability that the point lies inside the blue sector. Okay, A part, probability of blue sector. So here is blue. Okay, whose angle is 60 degree. It means 60 is favorable over 360-degree angle is total. So after cancellation, you will get answer of 1 by 6. B part does not lie inside the blue sector. Okay, this is easy, not blue. Just subtract the answer of blue from 1. Answer will be 5 by 6. C part lies inside the orange. Probability of orange. Orange angle is 90 degree. Total is 360. 0 will be cancelled. 9 ones are 9 fours are. So 1 by 4 is the answer. D part lies inside red sector. Okay. Probability of red. Okay, beta, 60 plus 45, 105 plus 90, 195 plus 40, 240, and this angle will be 120 degree. So red's angle is 120 degree. This is favorable over total is 360, and after cancellation you will get an answer of 1 by 3. Okay, last part is lie inside the red or yellow. Probability of red or yellow. Okay, red's angle is 120 and yellow angle is 45. So this is favorable and total is 360. 120 plus 45 will become 165 over 360, and just cancel it. 5 threes are, 5 threes are, and 5 sevens are, and 5 twos are. So 33 by 72 is the answer. The statement of question number 38 is, in the diagram, O is the center of the larger circle of the radius 14. AOB is 90 degree and the radius of the smaller circle is 4 millimeter. Okay, all things are given. A point is selected at random inside the larger circle. Find the probability that it lies inside the smaller circle. Okay, probability of smaller circle. Okay, smaller circles area will be pi r square. So pi r square. So 16 pi over total, like favorable is this, and total outcome will be pi r square for the larger circle. R square is r is 14, so 196 pi. After cancellation, 4 fours are, 4 fours are, and 4 nines are, 36. So 4 by 49 is the answer of A part. B part is the sector AOB. Okay, sector AOB favorable outcome will be 90 degree angle. Sector AOB favorable angle is 90 degree and total outcome will be the total angle of the circle, that is 360. 0 will be cancelled. 9 ones are, 9 fours are, so 1 by 4 is the answer.